Capital investment. Capital budgeting is a process used for decision-making on capital or investment projects. The capital or investment projects last usually more than 1 year. As the projects are usually large and have important impact on the long-term success of the business, it is crucial for the business to make the right decisions based on the capital budgeting methods. Two key capital budgeting methods are: 1. Payback period. The payback period is the time taken for the initial investment to be recovered from the cash inflows of the project. The payback is based on cash flows. For example, if you invest $5 million in a project, how long will it be until you recover the full original investment? The decision rule for using payback period is to accept projects which are shorter than the maximum payback period set by the company. To calculate the payback period, where the net cash flows are constant, take the initial investment amount divided by the annual net cash flow. 2. Net present value. Net present value method, also known as discounted cash flow method, is a popular capital budgeting technique that takes into account the time value of money. Net present value is the difference between the present value of cash inflows and the present value of cash outflows that occurs as a result of undertaking an investment project. If present value of cash inflows is greater than the present value of the cash outflows, the net present value is said to be positive and the investment proposal is considered to be acceptable. If present value of cash inflow is equal to present value of cash outflow, the net present value is said to be zero, and the investment proposal is considered to be acceptable. If present value of cash inflow is less than present value of cash outflow, the net present value is said to be negative, and the investment proposal is rejected. Let's calculate net present value. There are 4 simple steps to appraise or evaluate the project's or investment decisions. Step 1. Prepare a table showing the cash flows during each year of the proposed investment. Step 2. Compute the present value of each cash flow using a discount rate that reflects the cost of acquiring investment capital. This discount rate is often called the hurdle rate or minimum desired rate of return. You could calculate the discount factors or use the present value table. To calculate the discount factors, use 1 divided by 1 plus r to the power of n, where r is the discount rate and n is number of period. To deduce each present value, we take the relevant cash flow and multiply it by the discount factor. In this module, we will see the present value table to obtain instead of calculating the discount factors. To obtain the discount factor for 9% at year 1, look at the column which has I percentage equal 9%. Next, you need to look at the row where n equals 1. Then, you would locate the discount factor of 0.9174. Step 3. Compute the net present value, which is the sum of the present values of the cash flows. Step 4. If the net present value, NPV, is equal to or greater than 0, accept the investment proposal. Otherwise, reject it.